Question number 1, she, to school every day. B, goes. Question number 2, we, going to school. C, are. Question number 3, she, TV every evening. B, watches. Question number 4, he, here for 3 years. C, has lived. Question number 5, she, a letter yesterday. B, wrote. Question number 6, which word is an adjective? C, strong. Question number 7, we, football last night. B, played. Question number 8, he apologized, being late. A, for. Question number 9, she, not, understand the lesson. C, does. Question number 10, what is the synonym of rare? C, unusual. Question number 11, everybody, ready for the game. A, is. Question number 12, he denied the mistake. C, making. Question number 13, he, his homework yesterday. B, did. Question number 14, I, new phone last week. C, bought. Question number 15, what is the plural of tooth? A, teeth. Question number 17, he is addicted, mobile games. A, to. Question number 16, she would, rather you, tomorrow. C, came. Question number 18, what is the opposite of ancient? B, modern. Question number 19, they, playing football now. C, are. Question number 20, she succeeded in, the prize. B, winning.